Hi everybody, we're back in Tacloban Leyte as we continue the relief operation. I want to show you what you can do when you take an ordinary steel shipping container like this and you bring about 6 or 7 of them together, space them out, put them up off the ground, pour some flooring in between them, bring in all the necessary equipment, and then cut open the holes inside of some of them and create basically a field kitchen. So we call this KFC, our Kitchen Feeding Center. Beginning today, we're going to be in 5 elementary schools, feeding about 6,000 kids a day. As you look at the kitchen, you see the equipment, you see the people, you see the crews working together. They begin about 6 o'clock in the morning. We have to be at the schools by about 11. And so we feed the morning classes, and even kids coming in early in some of the early afternoon classes are coming in because they know they get a hot, nutritional meal. Today at a new elementary school that we've added. In fact, we've added 3 new schools where we're working in conjunction with the Korean military who is here, totally rebuilding schools that have been devastated and restoring the damaged buildings. This elementary school today is about 500 kids at this school, and we're here together with the Korean military and also some brothers from New Creation Church in Singapore that are here as a part of the outreach today. Kids are thrilled. It's the first time we've done this at this school, so it's a new experience for them. They're loving it. The teachers are loving it. It's a joy to be a blessing in the lives of these kids. While they're seeing their school rebuilt, we can bless them with a great hot meal. So we will continue to keep in touch with you.
Let's respond, reach out, and rebuild lives.